fucking coughing.
Can't help.
You lied to the people. Stop coughing. Matt's gonna get abducted while I'm back there because he can't stop coughing.
If the next post is me in a cell quarantined, Adam's gonna need help getting picked up.
Your mustache is stupid. Stop coughing. Stop it.
You can stop talking about it.
Damn it. Shit. I'm sorry. There's a fluke. Whoever. This is it. This is how we go to Fort Leavenworth. Anybody?
Of all the shenanigans me and you've done, we're gonna get penned for coughing and lying to a general officer.
This is it. This is how Matthew and I go to Kansas together and do a little bit longer than just 6 weeks at NCOA. We're doing time. Hard time. Hard time.
Why are you guys here?
Well, we are kind of the reason why Fort Bragg had to close down. Oh, we're not supposed to touch it.
Social distancing.
Yeah, you're right. You're right.